How to add a color overlay to images on Wix. So in order to do that, head over right here and click on this edit site in order to open the Wix website editor. So just wait for this to be loaded until you can see your actual Wix site. Now right here, I have this image. So if you want to add a color overlay to that, I can head over and click on that particular image, click on this edit image right here. And then from in here, it will open the website editor. Now you can adjust it according to your liking, and in here you can see the overlay option. Click on that and you can see this. So you can add any overlay that you want. It can be flares, it can be leaks, it can be grunge, or anything that you want. They also have a lot of selection in this case. So just head over and then choose which one actually the one for you. So I'll head over and then just use this bokeh right here and click on save. And then once you click on the save right here, it will save this particular photo. So it will just load for a little while and it will reflect itself onto your site right here. So in here, this will load as well. So just wait for this. And as you can see, the overlay has been added. So that's how you add a color overlay to images on Wix. Hope to help.